What's your name?
My name is Erika Viviana.
How do you spell your family name?
My family name Rodriguez. Rodriguez.
Where are you from?
I am from Bogota, Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At this moment, working and studying. So studying in NAT and working in CAFAM.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
My interest in other countries is that I learn different languages. Not only English, maybe I could learn French, I could learn Italian, Russian. So this is my interest in other countries.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I spend my free time with my family. Yeah, I go with my husband to cinema, dance, sometimes cook together. Yeah, I spend my free time with my husband.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I improve my English in writing with Grammarly. In listening, I try to listen movies in English, series in English, and for speak, I try to speak with other people that are high level than me.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I could be learn to swim. It's one of the skills that I improve because I like it, but I've never learned before. Thank you.